How to delete YouTube search history. Welcome to Allen Tech Gurus, your trusted source for quick and easy tech tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube search history in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. If you're using Android, Step 2. From the menu, go to Settings. Scroll down to the History and Privacy section and tap Manage All History. Step 3. Here, you'll see all your YouTube activity, including search history. To delete it, tap on the Delete button. You can choose to delete activity from the last hour, last day, or all time. Select your preferred option, and YouTube will clear your search history instantly. Bonus step, if you want to stop YouTube from saving your searches in the future, toggle on the Pause Search History option. This way, your searches will no longer be tracked. And that's it. Deleting your YouTube search history is that simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tech tips. See you in the next video.